my YouTube channel. I'm ShaRissa. I'm back here to do another juice video. This is root juice, basically with carrots, beets, lemon, and ginger. Okay, so let's get into this video. We're gonna do the beets first.
So we're gonna do the beets first. So that is the beet juice. Now we're gonna do the carrots. And these are 2 bags of carrots. So we're gonna stop. It's so full. This is the ginger and the lemon we're gonna add in. So there you have it, the carrot and the beet juice. I have some left over, some carrot juice left over with the lemon and ginger. But this is the finished product. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace.